Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Victoria. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how I made this beautiful homemade corset cup using a 3-part corset. So this is what I later achieved after the whole process, and if this is what you are really interested in learning, please stay tuned as we're about to start. So in our last video, I dropped a video on how to go about the drafting and then the cutting. So in today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to join your cup with a wording in order for you to achieve a very beautiful cup. So in the last tutorial, we drafted a pattern and then we were able to achieve this pattern in order for us to use in cutting the cup that we'll be using for our corset. So this is the pattern that we got, and then I've gone ahead to place it on the wording, and I'm cutting it just as you can see me doing like so. So I make sure I cut it for all the pieces. You discover that I have 3 pieces. One is cup 1, cup 2, and then the cup 3. So I labeled it as 1, 2, and 3. So I'll be showing you how to go about the joining in order for you to achieve that beautiful cup that you've just seen. So this is what we have after cutting. So we are going to go ahead and start the stitching aspect properly. So first thing, I'll just go ahead to remove my pin from it and then place the pattern again equally so that I can see the one that is side, the one that is down, in order for me to place it. So I'll be joining cup 1 and 2 together. Look at the way I'm placing it. I'll join it from the up down. I'll join it from the up down to the end of the cup there, just as you can see me showing you. So I'll go to the sewing machine and join it from the up down. Then I'll do same to the second part. You see the way I'm taking it slowly in order for me not to mistake it. Yes, so that is why I'm taking it very slowly at that moment. So when I'm done pinning it, I'll go to the sewing machine. I'll go ahead and join it, then I'll bring it. So guys, after joining it, I'm joining it with just 0.25 inches. Yes, so after joining it, this is what we have. Can you see? So cup 1 and 2 are joined together now, right? So we are left with cup 3. So now what we are going to do, we are still going to place it very well. Then we are going to carry the cup 3 and then place it in a way that we are going to join it. So look, this is me detecting where is side and then where is the middle. So you discover that I make sure I place it to the appropriate part of the cup in order for me to join it. So now go to the sewing machine. I'll also join the cup 3 to the cup 1 and 2 that we've joined earlier, just the way I'm showing you like this. So I'll carry this one and place it on the cup 1 and 2 that we have earlier, and then join it to that shape. So when I'm done joining it, I'll bring it. So guys, after joining it, this is what we have. So simple, so easy, and then very fast. So this is how to join your cup and then how to get your corset cup. I made use of a light wording to achieve this, so you can also achieve this for yourself. And if you want to know how I was able to draft this, you can check my previous video on the drafting tutorial, and then this is the outcome of the dress. So this tutorial will be uploaded in my next video. Bye.